Hello everyone, I'm Adya and this is my first vlog, like personal vlog that I'm planning to do. I hope it's a success. If not, I'll try to do the best in my next video if I'm doing it. So I've always been wanting to do vlogs and there's some or the other challenges that kept coming, so I've been avoiding, and I thought this is the right time to do the vlog because now I'm home. I don't have to travel to work. Since this quarantine days are going, I can work from home, and I saved up some time which I used to travel every day, so I thought I'll do a vlog. So I would like to dedicate this vlog especially for people, women who has PCOS and thyroid issues, and what to do about it, and how to have a healthy meal, healthy lifestyle, exercise and everything. So what I'm planning to do in this series of vlogs is how to overcome PCOS and thyroid. And today I was planning to cook my dinner. So before that I thought, why don't I make this as a vlog? So here I am, and this is so impromptu. So hope you guys like it.
Alright, so let's get started now. So I'm taking some quinoa here. I'm using the 24 mantra organic super grain quinoa and some dal. I'm sure everyone has Tur Dal at their house. And we need a cup measurement to measure our ingredients and a bowl to soak our quinoa and dal. So now I'm going to take 1 cup of quinoa and soak it. So it's very important to soak quinoa because without soaking quinoa, if you cook the quinoa in any of your dishes, it is gonna give a bitter taste. So always make sure that you soak your quinoa before cooking it. And now I'm taking 1 cup of Tur Dal. So the measurement is 1 cup of quinoa and 1.5 cup of Tur Dal. So I'm going to add half more cup to it and then soak it with some water. So you have to soak this quinoa and dal for at least 5 minutes so that the bitterness comes out and you can rinse the quinoa and dal and then strain it. So now let's chop some onion, green chilies, coriander and garlic. I've taken almost 5 pods of garlic here because dal and garlic is a great combination and it helps and aids in digestion. So an easier tip to chop the garlic finely is smash them before you chop them, so you get a nice fine texture while chopping it. And 1 onion for this measurement of quinoa and dal. So finely chop the onions too. And green chilies, it's totally depends upon how much spice you would like in your quinoa khichdi. I prefer a lot of spice, so I'm taking around 9 to 10 chilies. And this is green chilies, guys. It's not red chilies because it's turned red. That's it. And a bunch of finely chopped coriander. It's been 5 minutes now. Now I'm going to add some more water and rinse the quinoa and dal thoroughly, and I'm going to strain them so that all the bitterness is taken away. So now I'm taking a cooker to make this quinoa khichdi. I'm going to add some ghee to it. So it's very important to consume good fat while you are trying to lose weight. So I'm taking ghee. You can use coconut oil or any other good fat, but ghee is the best option for making khichdi. Now I'm gonna add almost a teaspoon of jeera to it, and we need to saute it till a nice aroma comes out of jeera and ghee. Now we can add some onions. That 1 onion we had chopped. So here it goes, and the garlic, and even you can add the green chilies and then saute it for some time. You can add some salt to the onion so that it cooks faster. So I am adding pink salt here because pink salt is considered as a good option for weight loss. Now I'm gonna add some turmeric to this mixture, almost half a teaspoon of turmeric, and nicely give it a mix. It's been 5 minutes now, so I'm adding the soaked quinoa and dal to this mixture. Mix it thoroughly for almost a minute, and after this we'll measure and add water to this mixture. I'm gonna take the same cup where I measured the dal and the quinoa, and I'm gonna add almost 8 cups of water to this mixture. It's always important to add more water to the khichdi so that it gives you a nice gooey texture to the khichdi. Give it a good mix and then add those finely chopped coriander, and we're going to close the lid now, and then we will leave the pressure cooker on for at least 6 to 8 whistles. So as you guys can see, it's on the stove and we let it cook for at least 6 whistles, and then we open the cooker. I let it cook for 8 whistles. Now I'm going to open the pressure cooker. So you can see that the quinoa and dal are nicely cooked. We're going to mix this thoroughly so that we get the gooey texture to this khichdi. So now I'm adding some more pink salt, almost a teaspoon. The salt is as per your taste, and I'm going to squeeze one big lemon into this khichdi to give that nice tangy flavor to the khichdi. I'd saved some coriander, so I'm adding the final touch to the khichdi, and it's now ready to serve. Just taste it before to check the salt in it, and you can add some more salt if required. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of ghee to the khichdi to bring out that aroma. So it's going to taste really nice. It's totally optional. You can add if you like, or you can avoid it. Our healthy khichdi is ready to serve. Hope you guys like this recipe, and I'm sure you all will try this at home. I'll try to come up with more recipes like this, and until then, have a good day guys, and take care. Bye bye.